Hello, welcome to the course Pharmaceutical Good Manufacturing Practices, Unveiling the Why, in which we'll realize about why it's important implementing and following GMPs properly. I'm Eduardo, and I started my career back in 1997. I've served in R&D, process engineering, validation, and manufacturing, joining teams in the US, Mexico, and global ones. I've lectured in Mexico and India, prepared science and Lean Sigma tutorials, and hosted internet radio programs. This course doesn't rehearse GMP guidelines. At the end, you'll be able to explain why they exist and how to fulfill them daily. I'm going to share you tips for generating outstanding content for your SOPs. We'll discuss examples of catastrophic effects of noncompliance, so you will be aware of negative consequences for companies and patients. This course is ideal as an induction or annual reinforcement. It's aimed for all organization levels at production, quality, R&D, maintenance. Anyway, I invite you to review the free classes and meet you in the course.